Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This cute Fiat 500 city car is available here in the popular lounge variant with the added convenience of a 1.2 petrol engine with the Dualogic automatic gearbox, an ideal companion for zipping around the city. That green colour is definitely guaranteed to turn heads, and from every angle it looks incredibly stylish. Standout features on this Fiat 500 Lounge will include these multi-spoke silver alloy wheels which look quite retro, and the added convenience of daytime running lights which will keep you illuminated during the day and night. Boot space, although slightly smaller, can easily take a week's worth of shopping and mid-sized suitcases for a weekend away. Inside, the exterior colour carries on inside, and although a 3-door, getting in the back is incredibly easy with seating for 2 and 2 ISOFIX chat anchor points. Fixed glass roof will illuminate the cabin very nicely, and the driver can enjoy a multifunction steering wheel in this nice cream colour, and that light will really illuminate those front sport seats, offering additional side lumbar support. In the centre, an infotainment screen thanks to the Uconnect system will feature the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs available for all your devices. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and the USB connector will keep your device topped up with battery. As you can see, loads of functions are available throughout, and you can even optimize the sound system, which will appeal to the music lovers amongst you. Additionally, various other vehicle settings will also be on offer, and trip information as well. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.